Okay, let's look at finding the surface area of a composite shape. Composite solids, such as this one below down here, are solids formed when two or more simple solids are joined together. So you can see on the bottom here we have a cube, on the top we have a square base pyramid. And if we find the surface, the area of each of the surfaces, add them up, that gives us the total surface area. So let's look at the cube on the bottom. The cube on the bottom has got square face, and there's 5 of those square base, one around each side and then one underneath. We don't count the one on the top because the one on the top is actually covered in by the square base pyramid. So we've got 5 of these. And we then have on the top 4 triangles. So we've got 4 of those. And so we find the area of all of those 9 surfaces, add them together, that gives us the total surface area. Let's look at our 5 squares. The area of a square is length squared. In this case, the length of the square is 10. So the area is 10 squared. The area of each square is 100. The area of the triangle is half base times height. For this triangle, the slant height is 6 and the base is 10. So again, we need to do some Pythagoras' theorem to work out what the height of this triangle is, because we need the height of the triangle for our area formula. So let's go up here and look at our right angled triangle that we can make. That is 6 and this is 5 because half of 10 is 5. So let's work out what x is, the height. Using Pythagoras, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is 6, so 6 squared is equal to x squared plus 5 squared. So 36 is equal to x squared plus 25. I like to switch the sides to have my unknown on the left. I'm going to take 25 from both sides. So x squared is equal to 11. So x is equal to the square root of 11. So it's approximately 3.31662, blah blah. Let's just do an approximate to 1 decimal point, 3.3, the height of the triangle. So we've got a triangle that's 3.3 height and 5 base. So we say the area is half times 5 times 3.3. The area of each triangle is 8.25. I must have done something wrong there. No, I think it's 8.25. A half by, oh, sorry. The base of the triangle, we're not doing the area of this triangle, we're doing the area of this triangle here. So yes, the height is 3.3, but the base is 10. So it should be a 10 there. So a half of 10 times 3.3 is 16 point. A half of 10 times 3.3 is 16.5 centimetres. If I'm just doing it to 1 decimal point, 16.5 centimetres squared. So that's one triangle. That's one square. Remember, we've got 5 of the squares, we've got 4 of the triangles. So our total surface area is 4 lots of our square. 5 lots of our square. Here, 5 lots of our square plus 4 lots of our triangle. So the total surface area is 500 plus 66, which is 566 centimetres squared, approximately, because we have rounded off up here to 1 decimal point. So for composite surface areas, composite solids are formed when 2 or more simple solids are joined together. The total surface area is calculated by summing the areas of the solid's external faces. So in this case, the 5 squares and the 4 triangles.